Hey Spices! So I'm super excited that it is gardening season and my plants are starting to grow. And one of the plants I am growing in my garden is butternut squash. So in today's video I figured I would share with you how to cook butternut squash in the oven. So let's go spice things up.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is prepare our butternut squash. And so we will want to peel it. And then I get a sharp knife and I cut off the ends. And now we want to cut this up. So to make it easier, I'm just going to cut in the middle and cut it down the sides. And now you see there are seeds inside. I just take a grapefruit spoon and I just get the seeds out. You can use a regular spoon, but you'll just want to take all the seeds in the inside of that out. Alright, so then I just take my squash and I cut them, and we are just going to cube them. And then I'm just going to put them right in this bowl. Alright, as you can see, it makes a decent amount. Now we are just going to add some oil. Now this is oil that is infused with the sun-dried tomatoes and herbs. If you want to know how to make that yourself, I will link the video below. But we are just going to add this oil, and you can buy sun-dried tomatoes at the store and it has the oil in it already. Okay, so now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of dried Italian seasoning and a ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes and 3 cloves of garlic that has been chopped. Now some salt and pepper. Alright, so I just chopped up some sun-dried tomatoes and we're going to add that right into the bowl as well. Now I'm going to stir it up so everything is evenly coated, just like this. So now we are going to take a cookie sheet, and I lined this with aluminum foil, and we are just going to put the squash right in the pan. And I'm just spreading it out so it all cooks evenly. Alright, so now we are going to put the butternut squash in the oven at 400 degrees for 35 minutes.
Hey Spices, don't forget to like and share this recipe. And then after about 35-40 minutes, your squash is done. How you can kind of tell is they're nice golden brown, and if you stick a fork in, it's nice and tender.
So many flavors, super tender, and so good.
Well, if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.